Hi, welcome to today's episode of Everything AI. Subscribe to enter the future. Artificial intelligence used to only exist in movies, in science fiction, but over the past decade AI has been replacing jobs. According to CNBC, 30% of jobs risk being taken over by AI. Recently, one of the biggest tech guys of the industry, Elon Musk, stated that AI will make jobs pointless. This has hence led us to wonder what jobs will be replaced by AI in the near future. This has also led us to worry whether our own jobs will be replaced. So in today's video, we have compiled a list of top 5 jobs that will be replaced by AI by 2025. Jobs that will be replaced. First on the list is taxi and bus drivers. Thanks to Tesla and semi-automated driving is becoming more and more available to the general public, and it definitely won't be long before fully autonomous vehicles take over public transport and taxis. Around an estimated 2 million jobs in the United States will be lost once this technology becomes widely available to the public. Second on the list is doctors. Have you ever seen movies with robotic surgeons? The rise of robot doctors are now closer to reality than fiction. Vinod Khosla, a legendary Silicon Valley investor, has already stated that robots will replace all doctors by 2035. Using machine learning, AI evaluates large amounts of data that lets AI make very accurate predictions and recommend interventions that will greatly help patients. Ultimately, if you think about when doctor robots will be in charge, more accurate and cost-effective treatments will be delivered to patients without making any intuitions or assumptions. So perhaps AI taking over some job can greatly benefit the world, as in this case it will definitely help enhance medical care. But one problem with this will be the fact that robots can't ever replace the touch of human doctors. Third on the list is telemarketers. Have you ever heard those annoying calls that want to market some product? Well, guess what? You will probably start receiving these kinds of calls from robots soon. Unlike other sales roles, telemarketers don't really require that much to be successful. And think about it, are really likely to purchase from a telemarketer? Conversion rates for direct telephone sales are typically less than 10%, making this role one that will definitely be automated to reduce costs. Fourth on the list is factory workers. One of the biggest victims of AI will definitely be factory workers. This will leave many people jobless, as these factory workers often don't have any other skill. In China, a technology company started using AI and fired 590 people. Their defect rate for products dropped by 20%. They even plan to decrease their number of people from 60 to 20 soon. Fifth on the list is receptionist. Automated phoning have the potential to replace the role of a receptionist in the near future. Even automated touchscreen system could replace this role very easily. This is already happening in many modern companies that can afford this technology. In fact, in 2 hospitals in Belgium, robots are already taking reception duties. While AI will take over smaller, more time-consuming tasks, it can't easily replace human emotions and behaviors that customers and audiences identify with. Even today, some customers prefer to talk to human customer service reps over bots when they have a problem. Additionally, a company might always need a chief executive or managers with strong emotional intelligence or other teamwork-oriented skills. Similarly, AI might not easily replace a creative role or service that requires employees to think outside the box or try something that hasn't been done yet. The best way to fend off the robots is to determine the skills and traits that are irreplaceable, hone in on them, and improve upon them whenever you can. For example, if your job requires a lot of tasks that could be done by a robot, you might want to consider taking on a project that will teach you about management or leadership. If your company offers professional development, you could also take a course in a more creative skill, like public speaking, writing, or graphic design. This way, if your job shifts, you might easily transition into another role or seem more valuable to a hiring manager due to your unique combination of logistical and creative skills. Do you work in any of these fields? Do you know any other jobs that might not exist or might never be replaced? Please let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers, guys.